Hi, in front of me is Motorola Moto G30 and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock on this device. Start by opening Settings. Then scroll down, go into Security and tap on Face Unlock. Enter your current login method, read the disclaimer, click on Setup, then read the instructions and tap Next. Now you can adjust your Face Unlock by tapping on the switchers next to these features. When you're done, click Next. Then Done. So now when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!